Hey there, this is Sam Chang, physical therapist at Bespoke Treatments, New York. We're going to go over the straight leg raise quad set today. This is a great entry-level exercise to increase strength of the quadriceps muscle right at the front of your thigh. So you're going to start off laying on the floor first. What you're really trying to do is squeezing this thigh muscle, straightening the knee as much as you can before you lift it up off the floor. Let's take a look. So laying down right now, first thing I want to do, really contract this muscle right here, the quadriceps. Think about pushing my knee down to the floor as much as I can. I can also pull my toes up towards myself, really trying to increase that extension, be as straight as possible in my leg. From here, quad is activated, knee is straight, I'm going to lift up. Straight up towards the air. You don't have to go too high, about 45 degrees off the floor, or about parallel to the opposite side, and then straight back down again. Start out with 8 to 10 reps per set, and increase as you get better at this exercise.